Are you looking to upgrade your keyboard without breaking the bank? Now, if you're balling on a budget and want a creamy keyboard under 70 bucks, this could be the one. In this video, I'm going to unbox and give the pros and cons to see if it's worth the price tag. Stick around to the end of the video for the sound test. This is the Epomaker TH99, a budget-friendly full-size keyboard sold on Amazon. In the box, we have a dust cover for the board as well as some packaging to make sure it doesn't get damaged. Included is the instruction manual, a super basic switch and keycap puller, a USB to USB-C cable, and 2 spare switches. These are the Epomaker Creamy Jade switches that are pre-lubed and sound quite nice. Now let's take a look at the board. My first impressions, this keyboard looks amazing in person. The blues go so well together. On the top we have a slot that holds the USB, a Mac and Windows switch, 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth switch, as well as a USB-C slot for wired mode. The back of the board we have 4 rubber stops, a little silver plate with the TH99 model on it, and my personal favorite part, 2 different height adjustable feet. This is a surprising feature that I didn't expect from a keyboard under $70. I like having the option of raising and lowering the board to sit more comfortably when typing. Now for a $66 keyboard, this definitely is exceeding my expectations so far. The keycaps are 3 shades of blue and are MX cherry keycaps, which feel pretty good to type on. However, the material of the keycaps aren't the greatest, as well as they aren't shine through. I'll show you what I mean when we take a look at the RGBs. The TH99 is gasket mounted and has 5 dampening layers, making this keyboard sound amazing and reducing that hollow noise. One thing to note about this keyboard is that the stabilizers are plate mounted. The TH99 is also great for gaming with a 1000 Hz polling rate and 2 milliseconds low latency in wired mode. The RGBs are super easy to operate. FN plus insert changes the light effect, FN plus backspace to turn the RGBs on and off, and the up and down arrows to adjust the brightness. Here's what the keyboard looks like in lower light. I have picked 2 main pros and cons to go over. Pro number 1, with all the features this keyboard comes with, like being hot swappable, great for gaming, tri-mode connectivity, it's hard not to get this keyboard for under 70 bucks. Pro number 2, a lot of people don't have time to disassemble their keyboard, to add tape mods or change the foam or to mod it. Being able to take it from the box to the desk is a major pro. I've done a sound test to demonstrate my point. Con number 1, the software Epomaker uses only supports Windows, not Mac. It doesn't give the same customization. For some, this could be a deal breaker. The second con, the build quality is very plasticky and it feels cheap. However, you gotta keep in mind that this is a $66 keyboard, so honestly, you get what you pay for. And in this case, the pros most definitely outweigh the cons. Now here's the sound test of the Epomaker TH99. Thanks for watching the video, y'all. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you want the thockiest keyboard, go and check out my Not a 65 vid with ceramic keycaps. Peace.